Oh shit, it's my last painkiller. I haven't been paying attention. I get more emotes as we get more subs. I think I have an available emote now though. I just have to figure out what I want it to be. Head eyes. Head eyes. I need a voodoo so I can snipe these guys up here. Could you imagine sniping a guy? Up there on the rock. This is just looting the barns. Head eyes. Head eyes. Ooh, that was interesting. What was he looting everything for? Doesn't even have room to put anything. Probably gammaing it, yeah. There's another guy here. I swear I heard somebody. He's probably throwing it. Head eyes. He takes it all. thing's like a silent killer, though. It's so quiet. Wait, did anybody have painkillers on them? I don't think they did. Basically have like 5 minutes left. Nope, until our painkillers are gone. We have gas. We could check old gas. The medical bag might have a packet of drugs. There it is. Yeah, crack house is far though. I need something more local. I needed something closer before crack house. We're gonna go to crack house, but I had to get some. Yeah, there's lots of meds here. We got them though. We're good. We just need to find people now. I don't really want to get in a hip fire battle with somebody shooting this gun. If I can avoid it, I'd like to be able to aim. ADSing. We've given 2 people the head eyes so far. Golden Star would be sick. Shit, we're overweight. Is that a Dorito? People see me and they're like, oh my god, juiced boy. So I have an attack too on my back. And they're right. I'm not gonna say it, but it might have been head eyes there. How did I kill that guy? Wait, where did I kill him? Oh, right here. Somebody zeroed out his armor, and I don't think that was me. We need a head-eye counter. Maybe. Was that the noise out? Was that the nade I was hearing inside? I thought nades were this way. Let's go back. Back to the middle building. Find more painkillers. Morphine. He has a slap plate. How did we live? How did we live? He missed. He missed some shots. That's for sure. Had eyes. Yeah, the slap plate's not ideal. Yo, who said they were heading out? Legion, take care, dude. Take care, man. Have a kick-ass night. Yo, what's up, brother? Freaking. What's up, man? How are you? I hope you're having a fucking dope-ass, kick-ass day, dude. Thanks for coming in. Gave this guy head eyes. Oh, fuck. I'm over it. This guy was shooting M61s. Yo, Oreo. My dude, my name is Dan. Welcome to the stream. I hope your recommendation is everything you wanted. Welcome, dude. Enjoy the content. We're rocking out a Saiga SMG single shot. I think it's a good time to call it though for that raid. So we were shooting AP6, single shot only. We killed four PMCs. One was actually pretty kitted. Obviously, he has a slick, fast MT. I thought it was a slap plate. It was just he had like the mandible or whatever. Right when I died, I didn't die. We didn't die. We killed 4. Headshot, had eyes, had eyes, had eyes, had eyes. Head eyes. Yo, Grimmy, what's up, brother? How are you? I hope you're having a kick-ass day. Thanks for coming in. Let's see what we got for loot. Let's see what we got for loot. So we started with a gazelle armor. The last guy we killed had a slick. He had a slick and he had a fast MT mandible. Oh, he did have the slap plate on it. And he had the slap plate on it. This guy was a little tougher to head eyes with AP6. His slap plate can absorb. His mandible absorbs some shots. This thing absorbs some shots. That absorbs some shots. So we actually probably hit him in the head multiple times, but and then our loot from the raid itself. Got a MDR. And then all that stuff. It was a good game.